Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for September 9th through the 15th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. For this week, I am going to be using all of these pieces I have from Chasing Chels. This is the Hogwarts kit up here on the top, and then I also have a couple pages from the Ravenclaw kit here that I think still goes. The colors don't exactly match, but I still feel like it goes really well. And then these are also pieces from that same, I think these are also from the Hogwarts kit. So not a huge fan of J.K. Rowling, but definitely enjoy the kind of school vibes. And I'm excited to be using this kit. So for this week, I don't have a lot of extras because I have so much stuff between these two kits. It is using exactly the same dates as when I last used this kit. So super helpful there on my planning. But what I am going to be doing is I do have this page from the Hogwarts kit that has glitter headers as well as some washi strips. So my plan is to use the two browns and the green from this Hogwarts set. I'm going to skip this blackish color, I think, just because I kind of want the other colors in there more. And then I did also pull in this kind of speckly washi that I've had from AliExpress for a very long time, just to add a little bit more width for down here at the bottom. But I'm pretty sure with just these headers and this, that's going to cover everything I'm going to need there. And so then the only other thing that I pulled was this gray zebra mild liner. I'm going to use that for the writing up on the top. It doesn't exactly match again, but I think it's going to go fine. So I'm going to put down all of that stuff, and then I will be back so that we can do the interesting bits. Okay, here is where we're at so far. I am liking how the like multi-layer on the bottom turned out. I think that's really cute. Okay, I do have these little scraps left, which I might use. I don't know, we'll see. This is all sidebar stuff. I've got a couple of boxes here, a couple more boxes. Okay, so I have these two girls. I have this box here. I have all of these that are like extras. And then I have these two boxes here. And then I think that covers, yeah, that covers all of my boxes. So if I use these three, for sure, and the two Hogwarts girls, that's 5 total boxes. So then I need 3 more boxes. So I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm going to use maybe this scene, since this feels kind of school-esque. And then I think I'm gonna use one of these girls. I think that's how it's gonna turn out. Okay. Now we're gonna figure out how to make that turn out. I might use the redhead because she like doesn't match the girls that already exist. So I think I'm gonna pull her out and just stick her on this sheet so that I have 1 fewer pages to worry about. And then I also am gonna take this one and stick it right here. Again, fewer pages to deal with. Okay, I'm going to stick this scene on the weekend. Oh, I kind of, do I still want to do that? Because I just realized that I want to scatter the boxes to go with the green. So do I care? I think I'm still going to do it. Okay, so then I'm done with this page. The bottom box is always like slightly longer than the other ones, but I think it's not really noticeable that there's a tiny gap there. Okay, that covers that. Then that leaves me with these 5 left. So I think I want to spread out the girls, understandably. So I think what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna stick her as the quote box. And then I'm gonna stick her twin over here, I guess on Thursday. There we go. So then that puts the other girl maybe I'll stick her on Wednesday so that I get like the vertical separation a little bit too. Sure, let's go with that. And then I'm gonna put the phone case here on Monday. And then, because these are the two like most nerdy, I feel like. So it's nice to stick them up at the top. This one's always the trickiest part because I'm kind of like guessing where the headers go on the top. And I don't think I was 100% correct. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. Doesn't bother me. We're gonna call that good. Okay. There's the full boxes. Moving on to the sidebar. Now I need like a bunch of these pages again. Okay, which pages can I get rid of? These I don't need. This one doesn't have anything for the sidebar. This one I definitely do need. This one, not this one. Maybe. Okay. I do kind of want to finish using up these glitter headers. Just because having like one each is kind of annoying. Okay, so there's one glitter header. And then I have these 3 habit trackers and these 2 and this one. So I have like a whole bunch of habit trackers. I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna use these 2 to bring in some more of the blue from the Hogwarts kit. And then one of these brown ones. There's like a lot of different browns in here. So a brown seems nice to use. And then let's see. Do I have something kind of like Instagrammy? I'm just gonna use this guy. And then let's see what I have left over here. Pretty much the same things. So I could use this one for movement. That might make the most sense. Okay, I'm gonna stop thinking about it because this is not worth how much effort I'm putting into this. Okay, there we go. That's done. Somewhere I have this guy. Okay. Sticking down the brown one next, so that like matches the order right here. I'm just gonna stick this down, and then maybe I don't need this page. We'll see. Okay. And then I have that set, and then I have this one. These also have 7, but I think I'm gonna just use one of these. Spending to clean, steps next week, sleep schedule, school, work. I need this for food. It's gonna be what I use it for. So I'm gonna use one of these little food headers. I think I'm gonna use this gray one, and I'm gonna use this food header. So this is a little thing, but I'll make it say dinners. And then I'm just gonna stick this down like so. And then I'm gonna stick down this last glitter header. Not 100% certain that this is like totally straight, but it's like close enough so I can't fix it. Okay, and then I am going to put in some of this deco. Because I don't really have anything else that strictly needs to go in here. Can I fit the feather too? Sure. Okay, that looks pretty good. And also used up almost everything, so I enjoy that. Perfect. Okay, for the weekdays, I kind of want to bring in more of this blue. So I'm probably going to pull some of these out. Okay. I'm going to just use some of these work little things. I work the same hours every day, but I'm just going to stick in a little work header. And then I also have my plan with me. Do I want to stick in the blue one or this multi bright one? I think I'm going to stick in this one. So this is going to be for my plan with me. There we go. That's, I think, all I have scheduled for Monday. For Tuesday, I'm going to stick in another work. I'll use this one. There we go. That's all I know for Tuesday right now. And Wednesday. There we go. And then moving on to the second half of the week. I think I'm going to use some of these guys as well, just to mix up what colors are used a little bit. So there's Thursday. Maybe I'll use another one of these just to bring in a little more of this color. There we go. And then for this half the week, I have this guy in this color, or do I have a video sticker over here? Not really. Okay, so I'm going to use this video sticker from over here. And then I'm going to use, I think maybe this navy to bring in a little more of that color. And that's going to be for my video that goes up. I'm not sure what this is. By the time you will see this video, you will know because it will already be up. And then I think that's literally all I know right now. So pretty bare bones at this point, but it is looking pretty cute and definitely kind of back to school-esque, which I really enjoy, and hopefully also fall weather-esque, which hopefully we will be having during this week. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. There's no foil or anything for this week, but it turned out super cute. I love it. Definitely back to school kind of vibes going on. I do have a bunch of pieces left from both of these partial kits, even a few like girls and stuff. But I don't think it's enough to actually do another spread successfully. I don't know if I can combine it with whatever else I have left to make one more spread, but it's gonna go in my leftovers and I will decide where it gets stored at some point. But if I don't mention it, it came from one of the two kits from Chasing Chels. I had both the Hogwarts kit and the Ravenclaw kit. Not sure which is which. The more blue stuff was the Ravenclaw kit. Some of the other stuff was the Hogwarts kit. I don't know. Anyway, the only things that didn't come from the kit were this middle washi. This is an AliExpress washi. This is a zebra mild liner up at the top, but everything else came from the kit. So I think that worked out really well. And I do think that it was really cute. We had a very good weekend, a little busy, but super nice. So I think that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or if you don't have anything that you want to leave, leave me some sort of lightning emoji. I feel like that goes. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.